Hello everyone, Sake here with another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update. Today I'm in Midtown Phoenix at Marlette, where we are working really hard to get this project progressing. You'll remember from last update that we were going through some fireproofing on site as well as water testing. The city really wanted to make sure that everything was safe for our future residents, which you will now know that we passed that final inspection and can complete the renovation. So the first thing that we did once we passed the inspection was got our drywall crew in here to button up all the walls. There were a lot of holes, pie cuts that needed to be filled, so that's been drywalled. We're taping and texturing in preparation for paint. The second biggest thing I would say is our floor tiles finally installed. We've had this sitting on site for a couple months, but now we can get it installed, which also allowed us to install doors and the trim and baseboards throughout the units. The next step will be paint, and now that we have flooring in, we can install cabinetry and countertops, and Marlette is really going to be able to come together. Those are all the updates we have for you today here at Marlette. Again, I'm Sake, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.